G'day and welcome to Full Bore. On this episode, work continues on our 1978 Toyota Land Cruiser. Let's get cracking. Okay, so as you can see, there's really not much left of the poor old 40 series. It's pretty much just a body, chassis and all the corresponding running gear. So what we're going to look at in this episode is just get rid of as much out of the engine bay as possible and maybe start looking into what's actually holding the body to the chassis and get all the wiring from out in the dash and all that sort of stuff. So I think the first port of call is get this radiator support out of it, and a lot of you 40 series people may already know that this is the first thing in a 40 series that rusts. If there's going to be rust in your 40 series, no matter how clean, it's going to be right here. Just having a quick squiz now that we got all the bull bar and stuff off. The front end of this chassis is a little bit worse for wear, unfortunately. Chassis repairs aren't too fun. This cross member here has seen better days as well. It's looking a bit like Swiss cheese. But I have heard on the grapevine that you can actually buy this front cross member from, I don't know, so-and-so, but it's definitely going to need some work because the structural rigidity of this particular piece has been greatly compromised, unfortunately. Anyway, work must go on. See if I can get some rust to pull in my eyeballs.
don't think we can do this.
Is it still attached?
It's still attached here.
Oh, it's
Okay, are you ready?
Yep. Okay, you can lower it down. I can't.
Oh, you
Oh,
ready?
I think yeah.
Okay, go. That almost fell.
Oh my. You can
Hello, stay.
Hello!
Come on. This is all going wrong.
Okay, I got it. I got it.
Okay, lower it a bit.
Oh, it's hard to lower it.
Okay, just I'm taking the weight.
What's
No,
your
no,
name?
it's not.
It's good.
Okay.
What's the hands?
You go.
I don't want to.
Just a tiny bit. Thanks, guys. That was awesome.
That's really heavy.
Oh, that was awesome. Well, that pretty well concludes this episode of Full Bore, and as you can see, we've pretty well accomplished what we set out to do, and that was to get this body off that BJ40 chassis. Now, the next question is this thing really worth my time? Because it's pretty riddled with rust, and should I go looking for a new body? Well, that's a problem for next episode, when we next meet on the next episode of Full Bore. Oh.